Hey everyone, ahead of its official debut at the Redmi Turbo 4 event scheduled for January 1st, 2025, Redmi has unveiled the Redmi Book 16 2025 laptop. Now available for pre-order, this latest notebook is designed to balance portability, performance, and battery efficiency. It boasts cutting-edge technology, including the latest Intel Core processor and an impressive 19.05-hour battery life, powered by AI scheduling for optimized energy use. The Redmi Book 16 2025 runs Xiaomi's HyperOS 2, ensuring seamless compatibility with other Xiaomi smart devices through the Xiaomi Pengpai Zillion ecosystem. This integration aims to provide a cohesive user experience across Xiaomi's hardware and software platforms. Although complete specifications are still under wraps, incremental improvements over the previous Redmi Book 16 2024 model are expected. To understand the potential enhancements in the 2025 version, it's helpful to revisit the key features of the 2024 model, released in November 2023. The 16-inch screen offers a 2.5K resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate, 100% sRGB color gamut, and 400 nits brightness, providing vibrant visuals. The laptop features a thin, light metal body weighing just 1.68 kilos and measuring 15.9 millimeters in thickness. Equipped with dual fans and two 8mm heat pipes, it efficiently manages thermal performance. Powered by the Intel i5-13500H processor, 2024 model includes 16GB LPDDR5/6/40 RAM and up to 1TB SSD storage, with an extra M.2 SSD slot for future expansion. A 72-watt-hour battery supports extended usage, while a 100-watt GAN adapter enables rapid charging, reaching 50% capacity in just 35 minutes. The adapter is compatible with PD fast charging and bidirectional USB-C cables. Features include Thunderbolt 4, USB-A ports, HDMI, and a 3.5mm audio jack for versatile connectivity options. The upcoming event will also showcase the Redmi Turbo 4 smartphone, the first device to feature Dimensity 8400- Ultra processor. It offers a 10% improvement in single-core performance and a 35% reduction in power consumption compared to its predecessor, promising groundbreaking efficiency and speed. While the full specifications of the Redmi Book 16 2025 remain undisclosed, we anticipate enhancements in processing power, display technology, and integration with Xiaomi's ecosystem. The addition of HyperOS 2 could further refine device interconnectivity and user experience. 19.05-hour battery life sets benchmark for productivity on the go, making it a compelling choice for professionals and students alike. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach official launch date. Pre-orders for Redmi Book 16 2025 are now open, offering early adopters chance to experience this innovative device. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.